Andriki Namaskaram. Thank you, press and media, for coming and giving your time. Palli Chettimbi is a very special film for me because the character that I play, Rebecca, is very close to my heart. I always wished to play a character like her, and thank you so much, Dijo sir, for giving me Rebecca. She will forever be close to my heart. She's a very beautiful person, and that's the reason why I'm so close to that character, and I just hope that all of you relate to her and fall in love with her, not just her beauty, but her personality and her presence. She's an integral part of the film, and it was really exciting to play that part, to play the character. So once again, thank you so much, Tijo sir, for giving me Rebecca. The producers, CQ Brothers and Worldwide Films, Naufal sir is not here, but thank you and congratulations. We have come a long way, and we all are excited for the release. I just hope that all the effort that we have put in is we get fulfilled with it, and I'm very excited. So congratulations to all of us. I think we'll have a success party, as you were saying over there. I'll also join in and we'll celebrate together. Naufal sir, you have been an amazing producer. You are a very dear friend, and I know you are somewhere in Kochi and figuring out everything for us. But thank you so much for being an amazing, supportive, fab producer. We all miss you, and congratulations. We all will be celebrating our film. Tovino, you have been an amazing co-actor. It was a learning experience to work with you. You remember the scene that you played on stage, and I was so intimidated with it, but you have inspired me throughout to give my best. And Rebecca is nothing without Palli Chettimbi. So thank you so much for being an amazing co-actor and being so kind. So I hope I get to work with you soon and learn a lot more from you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone who has come here. Please do go watch the film. It's releasing on April 10th. We have put in a lot of effort. It's a very beautiful film. We can't talk much about it, but once you watch the film, I think you all will leave with a very beautiful emotion, and it will stay back in your heart for a very long time. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kaidu. Looking forward to seeing you in the Palli Chettimbi film.
Thank you so
and
much.
Requesting you to please stay back on the stage.
Yes.
Endukante it's time now for us to invite our very own Tobino on stage. Asalu, Tobino, we had a doubt. 13 years in the industry that you have been, or 14 years. That's what the Wikipedia says. 14 years. And almost 58 films. How is it possible? In between, Corona also came, no? So yeah, you did movies then also. I think మనం తింటాము పడుకుంటాము సినిమాలు చేస్తాము వర్క్ చేస్తాం బట్ ఫర్ హిమ్ ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ హెస్ బీన్ ఈట్ స్లీప్ డ్రింక్ వాచ్ డూ ఓన్లీ మూవీస్ వాట్ అన్ అమేజింగ్ యాక్టర్ యు ఆర్ మిన్నల్ మురళి లాంటి ఒక సినిమా చూసినప్పుడు ఓ సూపర్ హీరో సినిమాల్ని ఇలా కూడా చేసేసేయొచ్చా ఇలా కూడా పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చా అని అందరం ఆశ్చర్యపోయాం 2018 లాంటి ఒక సినిమాని సృష్టించాలి అంటే ఎన్నో వందల కోట్ల బడ్జెట్ అయిపోతుంది అనుకుంటే దాన్ని ఇలా చేసేసి ఇంత బాగా పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చా అని వాపోయాం అలాగే తల్లుమాల ఎవ్రీ మూవీ ఆఫ్ యోర్స్ ఇస్ అ క్లాసిక్ ఇన్వైటింగ్ ద వన్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ టోవినో థామస్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్